Just how important is the Top Management Conference for ISS?
The Top Management Conference is extremely important. Like everybody else, it's for ISS key to get the strategy actually into real life. And the only way to do that is by communicating. And this once a year event where we spend an awful lot of time, an awful lot of resources, it really is to make sure that what we do is implement one strategy across the world.
How much time do you personally spend on planning the Top Management Conference?
An awful lot of time. I don't actually calculate it, but we start fairly early on. So basically when we come back from one TMC, we start talking about the next TMC.
And you're personally engaged in all the planning of themes and presentations? And
absolutely. Yeah. It's key. It's key for me. This is my annual event with the top group of ISS. So for me, it's of course one of my priorities in every year.
One of the things that ISS works with is some business games, and I know there's something called ISS Moldavia. How have you experienced that?
But that's the same thing. What we do is that we want to make the overall themes relevant, and the best way of making relevant is to take a day-by-day case. And then we've invented this company called ISS Moldavia, which is simulating a country. And then we'll go through step by step and then work as a business game around round tables that everybody work with the same dilemmas that we just gone through in the main presentation.
Do you find that effective? Or?
Very effective. I think the key is that they can recognize the situation, they can recognize the characters. It always gives a little bit of tension, but there's nothing like tension to actually really work into dilemmas and conflicts and what have you, and then challenge us as the management team at the same time. So I think it's very worthwhile.
When exactly that about being challenged, I think, with all the audience response, are you never afraid that you will be challenged on your leadership of the company when you have so many questions shared with the audience?
Of course I am, but both ways. I mean, I have to say, I fear if I don't get challenged, and of course, when you get challenged, it's always a little bit, can you take the challenge, can you not? But I think in order to develop the company, and that's what's key about this, you need to take those conflicts, and you need to be able to actually understand what goes on in people's head, and then adjust to it, understand it, and answer that criticism or the challenge or whatever it is. Because at the end of the day, it's not about me looking good, it's about the company actually getting to the right spot in the marketplace.
As we've been working together on top management since 2005, how have you seen the development, and where is that development heading?
I think the more you actually want to make a change, the more interactive you have to make these sessions. But you also have to be have a lot of courage. You have to actually be believing in that it's better to discuss to get implementation than to just go one way. Typically, many conferences are made in one way because you don't want the discussion. But at the end of the day, you don't achieve the same result. So I believe you'll get more and more interaction. At least we will do that. We'll use more tools. We'll use more in technology to sort of make a two-way communication between 450, 500 people and a management team. And with that, you can actually get a dialogue, and you get it better. The message is better embedded into everyone that's participating.
Just how satisfied are the participants with the TMC?
Last year was the best ever, and of course the idea is that we increase every year. But it was 4.8 out of 5 possible. So we're sort of running out of space.
How contagious is the top management? That, you know, it's a top management, and you have 51 countries together. But is it spreading? Is anybody else using the same concept?
Yeah, it's the way we made it is that it's something they can copy at home. With 524,000 people in the organization, you actually need to do quite a lot to reach out to all of them. So every country, or a lot of the countries now, actually do their own TMCs with their top management.
You spent several $million on a top management conference. Is it worth the investment?
Absolutely.